wish our leaders, other leaders, you could have even highlighted the way you are writing long things on social media and other medias. What you are doing today, what we did from Ajil, instead of engaging in abusive, retrogressive abuses in the media. Hii ingekuwa ndio mnaelezea wananchi what you are doing. Leo hii wakati tumetangulia kwa mambo mengine, huwezi ona mtu akiyaweka mambo mazuri. Hawezi sema hiyo ile kitu uko nayo. Ngoja Simba and spell a word here. You will see it all over. That's as if that's what they are. Instead of young people educating the society and informing the society the good things we are doing, them they have never seen anything good. I'm sure today again they'll say Simba and a militia in the stadium. Hawa wanafunzi, wacha niwaambie kina mama mko hapa na wazazi, leo hii hawa viongozi wengine utasikia wakisema Simba alikuwa na goons kwa stadium, kwamba hawa wanafunzi wamekaa hapa, they are goons. That's what they'll be reporting. That's what they'll be, not even the media. These people, they will be talking about it. They don't have even an iota feeling for the difficulties of the young people. Utasikia watasema, kama tungekuwa na reflector leo tupeane hapa ya Shafco, watasema Simba ametengeneza another goons, another gang. And some of them, they may be killed simply because being associated with Simba. It's a crime now that courtesy of the national government, some individuals, when I've called young people and lodging, I lodged a municipality border here, where Equity had given them a platform of collecting money. They turned around calling it is a gang Simba's formed. They went sealing their offices as a crime scene. Wakashika kijana moja, wakaua. Innocent guy. Wakaenda mahali walikuwa kwa hoteli jioni, huyo kijana akafika hapo. Wakafuata yeye, wakakamata, wakapiga yeye nyundo, wakapeleka nasikia somewhere in the police here. They tortured him for around 3 hours. Then they killed him. The only mistake, the only sin that young man committed is that it's associated with Simba. What kind of a country that we can live in when this injustice, extrajudicial, is happening in the name of some leaders, and the government is quiet? The national government is quiet about this. DPP is quiet. People have been killed here in this town. They got another gentleman, a young man, ambaye bibi yake alikuwa mjamzito, the firstborn mtoto wake. Wakaua huyo kijana hapa. The only sin that young man committed is wearing a t-shirt or a reflector written Simba Arati for government 2022. They killed him. We buried him. We are burying another one this Friday. The only crime they are committed is that they are associated with the Simba, the governor. I don't know who else they would have associated with. It's a painful thing. I don't know. We'll ask this question again. Instead of them appreciating the good work, they are busy. You know, there is a saying, and I want to repeat, that there is a saying which says, when hate doesn't work, they start a lie. They even have listed a number of young people that they are going to kill. Tunaomba kwamba Mungu shetani huyo afanye nini? Ashinde. Young people, you don't have to have an apology to anybody. You must stand and be counted for making sure our country is safe, and make sure you work hard.